is Robin and this is my channel. I am so excited because today I have an Israel pack and it is sent directly from Israel. Maria reached out to me from the company and asked if I would do a review on this box. So do you want to see what's inside? I know I do. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like this video and its content. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So this box is again sent from Israel, and it is made by vendors and curators that live in Israel, and they farm there. I really don't know what's all in here. I have watched a couple other YouTubers unbox it, but I didn't go in through all their detail because I wanted to find out for myself. So let's get into it. And on the outside of the box, I noticed that they put some items from Israel. There is a Torah, and it looks like there's some bread and candles, and I don't know what else is in this box, but it smells amazing. I know there's food in there. I did see that on other channels. Oh, things dropping out already, and this is what the packaging looks like. So the card that dropped out is invite a friend and get a free box. So they did offer 35% off on a box. So if you do want to try it, I'm going to leave their link. This is a pricey box. Again, they pay for the shipping and everything for it to come from Israel. So it's a $100 box, but you will get 35% off of your first box. So there, again, is a card, and I will leave the link and everything for the discount. Learn more about the products. So that will all be listed below. And they have some recipes that they put in there. And because I haven't been to the store, there's a good chance that I don't have everything that is going to be needed to make anything. And all the items that are in the box. But I do know that I want to make this one recipe here. I saw Barb on BC Sells make it. So I am going to get it, and when I do make the recipe, I will add it to one of my videos. And then the items. I'm so excited. I know there's other boxes that we get or that you can get, and the products are from all over the world, and part of the proceeds, which this box does as well, go back to the people, and in this case they go back to the people in Israel. So that is just such a great cause. And I'm not sure how many of you know, but I am Jewish. So I do know some of the cultures, and I will share one of the cultures. When you are born of the Jewish faith, you get named, I know this is going to sound horrible, but you get named after relatives that are already deceased. So I was named after, I believe it's a couple of aunts. One was an aunt and one was a grandmother, so that's what my name was. But you actually get named in Hebrew. So I do have a Hebrew name, and I'm not going to share it on the channel because it's really hard to pronounce. But I do have a Hebrew name, and along with that Hebrew name, you have a certificate. And actually, my certificate is back in Chicago. It was when I moved here from Arizona, it was packed in, and so my daughter has it packed in with her things in Chicago. So I do have a certificate with the Hebrew name in the Hebrew lettering. So I just thought I would share a tidbit about a little bit about my religion. So to move on, and I know, oh my God, I can smell this. It's a pot holder. And I'm not sure what the pattern is, if it's the grapes, but it smells amazing. And it looks like there's just one pot holder in there. And let's see if I could. It's a handmade pot holder from Topatop. It's 100% cotton, easy to wash, resistant to bleach, and heat resistant at 400 degrees. So I am definitely going to put this in the kitchen. And these are, and everything has the Hebrew lettering, and I did go to Hebrew school to learn how to read and write Hebrew, but for the life of me, there's only a little bit of Hebrew that I can read now. So everything is in Hebrew there, but they do have it in English. So these are olives, and they do have the pits in there. So I'm not gonna open it right now and kind of munch on them, but I will take them out for dinner. But look at how nice the packaging is. So if they leak, it's all in the packaging. And let's read up on the olives. Olives with lemon from Zeta Olive. Zeta was founded over 20 years ago and is known as one of the best olive brands in Israel for its quality, unique flavor, and aroma. I can't smell them, but I bet you they're terrific. And the packaging, I can't believe it. You can tell it's not going to move around. And shea and macadamia nourishing natural hand cream. And again, it's all written in Hebrew. And Hebrew is actually an awesome language to learn, even to read and write it. Of course, it goes from right to left. And when you go to temple, most of the books, they'll have the Hebrew, and then they'll have, the other side has the English on there. So for kids who can't read the Hebrew, they'll have it in English. But my parents, of course, they always read the Hebrew. This smells really, really good. That's the lotion, and it smells terrific. So we got a hand soap and cream from Saban Michael. It's a sad truth of housekeeping that even if you wear gloves, your hands will still wind up dry after cooking and cleaning. Using an antibacterial soap can dry out your skin. Instead, wash your hands with a natural moisturizing soap. Don't forget to use a hand cream several times a day. Natural skincare products from Saban will help keep your hands soft. And that they do. Look at that packaging. feels like it's some type of bowl, but as always, I always have issues with getting things out of packaging. But again, look at how they wrap this. Just really awesome. Wow. Can you see the inside? It looks like it's for maybe the oils, but that bowl is absolutely beautiful. And handmade bowl from K Clay, easy to use and clean. You can serve sauces, dips, or olives in this small clay bowl. That is absolutely beautiful. Looking to see if it says made in Israel. And more goodies in here. Again, look at the packaging. And I think I know what this is. Sorry if I'm crunching in your ear. This is like such an awesome box. And they do ship internationally, so I'm thinking this would be a great gift to send to my kids in Germany. My son-in-law is from Louisiana, and he cooks amazing, makes some amazing dishes, so he would love this box. So this is extra virgin olive oil, and again, it's got the Hebrew on here, and look at the size of that bottle. And I know we're gonna use that. Extra virgin olive oil from Lynn's Farm. This high quality olive oil is perfect as a condiment in salad dressings, as a bread dipper, as the base for uncooked sauces, to name only a few. And the recipe that over here that I want to try, and I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this right, is shakshuka. And I know I don't have everything to make it, so I'm going to go to the store. And again, I will make it. I will show you how I'm making it, and let you know how it is. And this is the bar of soap. It's Dead Sea Mild Herbal Face Washing Soap. And this is what's smelling up the box. And again, look at the bag. Oh, this is one of those things you can just kind of leave it out by the sink and it could smell up your bathroom. Now there's no prices on any of this, so I don't know what the retail prices are, but it's definitely worth it. So the hand soap and cream came together. And let me make sure. Going to the other side, this was the goodies I was looking for. This is hot red paprika with oil. And how nice of a size is that? The red hot paprika from Pairing Natural Foods. Paprika is a perfect for shakshuka, omelet, spaghetti, Moroccan fish, and hummus. Perec started in 1906 as a small spice cart, and today produces more than 60 variations of spices and herbs. And this goes in that dish that we're gonna make. And there's something else in here. I think this is the last item. Again, nicely packaged. And they sent it in all my fun little trail mix that I leave all over the house. I hope you guys are all having a great weekend. And let me know if you have plans for Memorial Day. I know you can have up to 10 people now and go out. We're probably just staying around the house. And this is dried tomatoes. Okay, this is dried tomato spread. And I bet you can use this on a lot. I so wish I can read all this. Dried tomato spread with base from Lynn's Farm, ideal for shakshuka. I have never heard of this dish. I'm gonna have to call my mom and see if she ever heard of it. She's the cook in the family. And actually, Dennis keeps asking me how come I don't cook and my mom does all the cooking. So I'm gonna have to ask her if she ever heard of this dish. You can also elevate your toast with a savory Mediterranean flair by spreading bread with this healthy dip. That sounds good. And I know this goes in that recipe as well. And then I think you add some onions, garlic, tomatoes, and some bell pepper. So that was everything, I think, that was in this box. Let me know what you thought of it. I think it's definitely worth the price. So it came with the pottery. It shows that you can make the Israeli salad. And that salad looks really good. It tells you everything you need to put in there. So I am going to leave the link for the company, the 35% discount for the company, and I highly recommend this. And I am going to go to the store and get all the ingredients. So hopefully next week I can make the recipe and taste it for you guys and let you know how it is. So leave me a comment below and have a great holiday weekend, and I'll talk to you later.